It pissed me off when I was out in Africa. I was fucking starving. I was out in Africa and listen, mate, my diet out there is very, very simple. I'm talking like cucumbers and fucking chicken.
Yeah.
Right? Because the selection of what I've got from the supermarkets, and I read, I will be British champion, and I will, and I'm just thinking, do you know the work I'm putting in, lad? You will be, will you? So I thought, I'll make a post and and let them know, no lad, I'm going to start you. And I genuinely believe that. I'm not just saying I'm going to walk across the ring and I'm going to knock you unconscious. That's what I believe. So I thought I'd get it going, and it got a bit of traction, and I thought, actually run with this. You know, that's not usually me. Usually I like humble fighters. Everyone messaged me and was like, don't let him get into your head. He's not getting into my head at all.
It's a bit of fun,
but everyone messaged me and was like, well, you usually just see you as a silent assassin from when, back in the day when he used to fight. I wasn't someone who was a talker, or someone who was getting there, say nothing and then turn it over, But I appreciate you saying that. That I come across well.